Assalamualaikum everybody, welcome back. So today's session is all about work and we are going to work in our phonics workbook of pre-year 3 and the page we will be working on is page number 4. So take it out and let's have a look at the icons. So the first icon is this one and this tells us to read. This icon means that we have to read first, and then the second icon is this one, and this icon tells us to write. Yes, it means that in today's class we will read and write. What? We will read and write the add words. Add words, okay children, but before starting your work you have to mention the date here. Okay, so you can see on your page that there is a wall and there are some bricks over here and some of the words are written on those bricks. So you have to read them first and pick out the add words. What words? Add words. Well, the first one is almost done for you. As an example, you only have to trace on that, but we have to read it, okay? So let us start our reading. Now, the first word is bad. It is bad. Bad, bad. And it is an add word. It is an add word. Now, the second word is mop. Mop. Okay, let's compare it. Mop, bad. Mop, bad. Well, no, they do not rhyme. So, leave mop. Now, let's move to the third word, and it is dad. This is dad. Dad, bad. Well, yes, they rhyme together. So, as you can see that bad and dad are written in the blanks, but they are dotted. So, you have to trace on them, starting with the starting point, following the arrows and writing bad, then writing dad. Very good. So, in the second row, we can see some words. Let's read them. The first one is cop. This is cop. Okay, cop, dad. Cop, dad. They do not rhyme, so leave cop. Let's move to the next word. Okay, it is sad. Sad. You can look into your worksheet too. Sad. Sad, dad. They rhyme. So you will write sad in the blank there. In the first blank, you will write sad. Sad. Okay. So for the last blank in the second row, we will look for another word and it is had. Sad, had. Had, sad. They rhyme together. So we will write had in the second blank. Okay, children? Had in the second blank and sad in the first blank. Write it properly and with the correct formation. Very nice. Now let's move to the third row. Okay, so it is pad. Pad, had, pad, had. Yes, they rhyme together. So we will write had in the first blank. Absolutely. Now for the second blank. Mad. Mad, pad, pad, mad. Yes, they rhyme together. So we will write mad in the second blank, pad in the first one, mad in the second one, and make sure that the formation of these add words are perfect. Okay, children? So here the first part of our worksheet is completed. Now let's move forward to the second part. Okay, here we have a short story again. Let's read it. So, I wrote on a... Okay, what picture is this? Is it a pad? Is it? Great! Yes, it is a pad. So, do you remember doing the same work in our last videos? Well, yes. So, you will write pad in the blank. Yes. So, what would it become? I wrote on a pad. Very nice. Now, let's move forward. I care for my picture. What picture is this? Dad. Yes. So, what will you write in the blank here? You will write Dad. Then, I care for my dad. Well, yes, I do care for him. Now, he is not... Oh, what is this? Yes, it is mad. So, what will you write in the blank? Mad. Okay, then the sentence would be, he is not mad. Thankfully, yes, he is not. So, one day, he saw something. Oh, what is this? Do you remember? Or should I tell you? Well, I can. This is bad. Yes, this is bad. So, what will you write in the blank here? You will write bad, and the sentence will become, one day he saw something bad. Next, he got very... Oh, what is this? Yes, it is a clown which is faced sad. So, what will you write in the blank? You will write sad. Excellent. Now, let's read the whole story. I wrote on a pad. I care for my dad. He is not mad. One day, he saw something bad. He got very sad. So this was our story, a fun learning story, and with this our activity and worksheet comes to end. So students, this was your worksheet for today. I hope you learned the adwords, you reviewed them, and you enjoyed completing this one. So in the next class, I will bring a new worksheet for you and we will enjoy our work time too. Till then, Allah Hafiz, take care of yourself and stay safe.